This video will demonstrate how to install the mounting plate and the calibration accessories onto the MA600 calibration frame. Review packing list and ensure all needed parts are present. The mounting plate package enables the MAXISYS MA600 to perform adaptive cruise control, blind spot, and night vision calibrations. Loosen the knobs and fold the left and right sides of the crossbar. Move the sliding plates up and secure them in place. Slip the mounting plate onto the ledges of the pattern board holder. The two knobs should be facing front. Rotate the two knobs clockwise to tighten the mounting plate. Slide the mounting bracket into the slot at the back of the mounting plate. Tighten the two screws clockwise. The mounting plate can now accept the following accessories. If you have any questions or concerns about assembling your Autel ADAS equipment, please contact our Autel support team. Thank you for watching this video and for being a valued Autel customer.